This is Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can hide your online status on Instagram from your mobile device. Instagram offers a number of similarities to other social media and chat platforms, including Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. New features are constantly added, including options like show activity status. If you use Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, both owned by Facebook like Instagram, you'll know that they show when you are online and last active. However, although the show activity status option is enabled by default inside of Instagram settings menu, you can toggle it off. So those of you who don't want people to see when you are online in real time do have the option to turn off Instagram's show activity status feature. Though if you do, you won't be able to see anyone else's activity. Now, in order to hide your Instagram activity or online status, watch this video very carefully and follow the steps accordingly. Firstly, download the Instagram app on your mobile device. When once installed, log into it with your existing account or create new if you don't have any. Then tap on it to open. Once you are on your Instagram page, here at the bottom right corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Now go to the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then go to the settings option and tap on it. Now here you can see various options available. Go to the privacy options and tap on it. Now once you are on the privacy page, scroll down a little bit and here you can see the activity status option. You need to tap on this. In this page you can see you have enabled the show activity status, which means you have allowed accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you are active or were last active on Instagram application. So if you don't want people to see when you are online in real time then tap on this toggle next to it. By doing this, your followers will no longer be able to see the activity status and they won't know if you are currently active on the app also. So this was the easiest way to hide your activity status on Instagram app from your mobile device. Thanks for watching the video guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was useful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.